A trust is different. Then there's different types of trust. So when we talk about an LLC, that's a company. A trust is its own entity. And depending on the type of trust, you could still use conventional products. A revocable living trust, where the grantor is the trustee, is the beneficiary, you can buy the property in a trust, but you could still be the personal borrower. And so that's how it's structured there. So that's an alternative if you want to do some estate planning, don't want to, don't have access to non-traditional type of loan products. A lot of times, the structure, when you start to grow multiple portfolios, you have several LLCs that own the property and they're just holding the asset, and then one LLC that's managing all the income, the entities, the contractors, and everything, right? So there's different ways to do it. It just depending on where the money's coming from, if there's a loan, what the goals are. And so a lot of times when you are renting out property and it's in your personal name, one of the most important things that I'm going to say is have the right type of insurance, right? Because sometimes the answer that I have, well, you can't put an LLC, so to get good asset protection, you got to put it in a trust, so at least you have probate avoidance and all the other benefits you get from a trust. But then getting the right type of insurance that's for the right type of property and the right type of use, so that if you do have a problem, you actually have coverage. Because what a lot of people do is they'll put whatever's cheaper or they'll put whatever their lender requires, but then they don't add on the things that are necessary to have a tenant in the property or a short-term rental in the property or whatever the use is.